Hello and welcome back to another video on this channel. Today we are taking a look at Kellogg's to see whether we are buying or waiting for a price to fall. This company makes food products. They have more than 18 brands under their portfolio such as Kellogg's, Special K, Rice Crisps, All Brand, Corn Flakes, and list goes on. This company is up almost 14% this year, where the stock market is down about 20%. Kellogg's is trading in US dollars. The market cap of this company is almost $25 billion. Its trailing 12-month PE is 16.68 and price to free cash flow is 19. This company is paying $2.36 in dividend and yielding at 3.21%. The payout ratio of this company is close to 55. These are the key statistics of this company. Now let's see its financial statements. Personally, I like to see at least 10 years of financial data. Let's start with income statement. Under income statement, we can see that revenue of this company is basically flat and not growing by much. The net income is volatile, but it is higher than past few years. The number of shares outstanding is decreasing as compared to past 10 years. Company is buying back its shares. This is one of the reasons that pushes stock price up. Now let's move on to balance sheet. Here we can see the current assets and total assets is increasing. Its current liabilities and total liabilities is also increasing. Company has more assets than liabilities, which is good thing to see. Let's move on to cash flow statement. On this screen, we can see cash from operating activity is volatile but increasing. Dividends paid by this company is increasing, which means company is increasing its dividend, and free cash flow is also volatile but increasing. Let's move on to freeform tool to see how company has performed over the past few years. In freeform tool, I like to see at least 7 years of financial data. But the growth of this company is almost flat. We'll see its growth as compared to past 20 years. Here on my screen, you guys can see revenue is growing at compounded annual growth rate of 2.91% over the 2-decade period. If we compare the last 7 years, revenue is flat. However, income has grown over the past 7 years at 13% compounded annually. The number of shares outstanding is same over the past 20 years. The average free cash flow of last 20 years is close to $1 billion. The total liabilities of this company is almost $14 billion. If you divide its total liability by its average free cash flow, it will take them 14 years to pay off all their liabilities and about 9 years for non-current liabilities. The average PE of this company is sitting below 20 over the last 20 years, and its average price to free cash flow is close to 23. Last but not the least, dividend growth over the past 7 years is 2.17% compounded annually. By looking at its financial statements, we can conclude that Kellogg is not a growing company, but Kellogg itself is a well-known brand name, and personally I don't think this business is going under anytime soon. Its current PE is 16.68, which I think is higher for non-growing company. I'd like to see this number below 12 because there is no growth here, or its share price to fall under $55. Right now I'm happy to hold my shares of this company. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for future content, and let me know your views on this company down in the comment section. See you in the next video.